Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going over all the new features in iOS 13.5.1. Let's get into it. So for starters, this update is available to anybody that was previously running iOS 13. So you can go ahead and download that by going to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. So in the previous version called iOS 13.5 and iPadOS 13.5, there was actually an issue with it, and that was called the zero-day kernel exploit, and that allowed people to create jailbreaks for it. So now in this update, they've patched that. One jailbreak that was pretty popular was called Uncover, but now you can't use that if you update. So if you have jailbroken, do not update to this new software. The next issue that was found in the previous version of iOS and iPadOS was one where if you had an app, it would show you this weird error message, and it would say that the app is no longer shared with you. So that's actually been patched previously in the older OS because it was actually a server issue on their side, not with the software. But once 13.5.1 came out, they guaranteed that this issue is gone and it wouldn't be affecting anyone anymore. Now, some things that they haven't fixed in this new version of iOS and iPadOS is one, that VPN vulnerability. So it won't actually be encrypting your data securely for some reason, which was actually found by an app called Proton VPN, a company, called Proton VPN. And the next one is one where some users have been trying to play back MP4 files and they couldn't do so. They were just met with a weird error message and they could not play it. And it's a pretty popular format, so they better fix that really soon. And the third one actually is one where some iPadOS users have been reporting, mainly iPad Pro 10.5-inch users. So that's the iPad Pro that came out in 2017, and they've been reporting that they've been having multiple boot loops, and it's just been a mess, to be honest with you. So hopefully they will fix that soon, but if they don't, people are really not going to be happy about this, because they're pretty much just losing their data because they don't even know the reason. Actually, it's just one day they might wake up and they see their iPad having a boot loop. They're going to be wondering what's going on, and they haven't even fixed that yet. So those three things still haven't been fixed ever since 13.5. And even if you look in the description of 13.5.1, it mainly just talks to you about security updates and some bug fixes. But other than that, it's just a pretty small update. And to download it, it's not going to be as slow as 13.5. It's going to be a pretty quick update. So I would suggest that you update to it like any other iOS update or iPadOS update. Just do it. It's just patching anything else that might be wrong with it, because sometimes they might not actually tell us if there was an issue that they patched, and we may only find it out later on when we actually start using it. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it for 13.5.1. Not a big update, but still they've done what they needed to do as Apple. They patched that jailbreak vulnerability, and they've also patched a couple of other things. So that's pretty much it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to keep moving, especially during these hard times, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.